Hey everybody, it's April 2nd, I believe, and I don't have the measuring tape with me, but I can tell you that most or all of this dirt is on my property, and yeah, they fucking killed this tree that I planted here. They killed it. They fucking killed it. No matter how many times I stand this up, it's knocked down again. They fucking killed it, and the two poles that I fished out of the pile and put back over here are once again in the pile. They've been knocked down. Wind didn't blow them over, they didn't erode away. They were knocked down by the plow again, or somebody in the neighborhood. And every inch of this is on my property over there right away. Every fucking inch of this is over there right away and on my property. Every inch, there's another pole plowed into the dirt. Town is getting billed for every single one of those, and I have the small court paperwork all filled out. Every inch of this is on the property over there right away. Every inch. I don't know if the camera is truly showing how massive the scope of pollution is and the violation of property boundaries by the town here. And I'm not sure if you're seeing that they are going 20 feet or more over there right away here. And it's all heading right towards the pond down here and the spring that feeds it. Look at that. It's all going right down to it. 70 feet down below. I have purchased some oyster mushrooms. A variety that's supposed to be good at remediating pollution, and I'm gonna grab these wood chips that I can't see because they're still buried under snow back here, and spread them right here in a swale that I'm gonna have to probably dig by hand in the woods here, and try to block all the shit from going down to the pond. I mean, I don't have a problem with the town clearing snow out of the way and off the road, but everybody, this is where the road ends. So, why do they need to go 30 feet onto my property and then push this stuff over their 24.75 right away, which ends right about where I'm standing here, give or take, and put this on my property over there right away, running down my poles and breaking them into pieces to do it. It's really a fucking dick move, and I've been bitching about it since I moved here. And this is ridiculous. What a dick. What a fucking dick. Yeah, so I keep resetting the poles, and he keeps knocking them down, and this has been going on since, November? And we're in March. So every time it snows, he knocks my poles down, and great plowing job, huh? Thanks for all the shitty sandy dirt with spray paint and road salt in it right above my pond. Hey, look, anybody know what this is? That is another one of my posts. Completely driven into a giant pile of dirt that's over there right away on my property. Man, this is really a motherfucker that they keep doing this. It's gonna stop, because I'm just gonna remove this with a mini excavator and then put up a fence right here. Like right here, right where this tree that they murdered is, and going across here. And yeah. This is going to disappear, and a permanent wooden fence is going up of at least 6 feet. 8 would be better, so nobody can just look down in here and be creepy while I'm trying to chill down in here. Holy shit, you can see way down in there. Yep, we need a privacy fence. And so the town plow asshole can't keep doing this right above my watershed. Oh well. Our actual mission for the day since this water seems to be somewhat contained and going over here into this catchment area. I'm out here to actually get some food for the goats. Oh good, at least 2 of the white cedars I planted look alive. I got one right here. Hi, cutie. And one right over there. I'm also going to have to redig this catchment. It is completely filled with silt and crap. And the berm blew out completely. Holy crap, look at that ditch. So I got to make sure that's running the right way and going to the intended second catchment area down here. There should be a third in between them, but we haven't gotten there yet. One thing at a time. I'm kind of worried that the town murdered every other white cedar tree I put along the road. I originally dug holes about, I don't know, 6 or 7 feet off the road and then decided to move them further back. And the whole area where I thought they would be safe is covered with crap. Road salt, dirt, stuff from the plow, so hopefully we're not out like 20-something white cedar trees, but we'll see. Here's our goat tree hay bonanza. There's one more tree cut down over there somewhere. And one back this way, but not enough to make it as interesting as this pile. So I'm just pulling branches out of here, throwing them on the sled. Should have like a bungee cord or something so they don't fall off on the way back. But a lot of these are still buried in snow, which isn't making it easy, but they're free and they're here, so that's what is happening right now. Dog is chasing squirrels or something over here. But, yeah. Trying to get the goats fed and checking on the back of the land here and seeing all the damage these guys did. Clearing around what appears to be a phone line. Okay. But I got something for the goats, so I'm gonna get back with this. If I make it much higher, I think it's gonna fall off all the way back, so that wouldn't be fun. Hey everybody, just a quick reminder that we have Compost the Wealthy shirts in our store. Link is below, right above the comments section, and you know, can show your support for composting the wealthy by rocking one of these shirts, tote bags, stickers, whole bunch of stuff. So check it out.